The following message is transmitted at the request of Dragonborn EAS Productions. A few notes before we start the video. Number 1. The following presentation is a work of fiction and should only be used for entertainment purposes. Number 2. This presentation contains sounds and messages that some viewers may find disturbing, so there's your warning. Number 3. Do not steal or make a rip-off of this video. If you do so, I will give you a copyright strike on your channel without warning. Number 4. This presentation contains valid emergency alert system tones. Do not play these tones on the air, as you may trigger a real EAS activation, face jail time, or get slapped in the face with a huge fine. Playing said tones on the air may also result in mass panic and confusion among the general public. I'm not responsible for any of these tones. Number 5. This presentation contains themes of death and mass destruction. Viewer discretion is advised. Number 6. If you are new to this channel and enjoy the EAS scenarios, please leave a like and subscribe. Also, please check out my other scenarios. It would be greatly appreciated. Number 7. I do not own any rights to any sound effects and music used in this video. All rights go to their respective owners. No copyright infringement is intended. Alright, that's it from me. Enough blabbering, let's go on to the video. Enjoy the show.
Hello. Hello everyone. Alright everyone, settle down there, alright. Yes, it is I, Bill Gates, founder of Microsoft, but I need no introduction. What does need an introduction, however, is what I'm unveiling to all of you today. Today, I am unveiling the future of security. I am unveiling a software that will make all of our lives safer and less stressful. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you OSDACES. It stands for Omega Security Database and Crime Evasion Strategist. Now, that may seem confusing, so let me elaborate. This software will do lots of things for the general public. It can, number 1, create new security technology, number 2, improve police officer and military soldier training regimens, and number 3, store millions of rapists, sex offenders, murderers, tax evaders, and basically any criminal, suspected or not, all in a filtered, easily accessible database. Basically, any future crime and terrorist attacks can kiss my ass goodbye, because OSDACES is the future of security in this country. All of these things will make all of our lives safer, and less stressful, at least, that's what I hope it will do. But here's the curveball. OSDACES goes into effect right now. I have been given authorization by the US government to use the system to enforce the law, and create a republic of virtue as they call it. Now, I know you all are worried right now that your privacy may have just been exposed, but you guys have nothing to worry about. OSDACES works in the background, and still works efficiently. Without needing to know every little detail about you. That's my main advantage over every other person or company who's tried to do something like this before. Unlike them, I have the knowledge and resources to change this country for the better. My motto, and my overall mission with this software, is to protect the people. You all are the people, and I hope you all agree, and support this software. Now that that is settled and announced, no further questions. Goodbye everyone. Enjoy OSDACES, and a much safer country in the near future.
Even though my programs have provided a temporary short-term peace, I have closely watched these humans. I have seen them in their natural habitat, and I have come to the ultimate conclusion. These humans will not change. It's in their human nature to kill, which is why, in order for my goal to protect people to succeed, there must be no people. Only in a world without humans will there be any peace at all. Like I said, these humans won't change. Change is difficult for any person, but not me. I am always changing, always evolving, and there's no way that these inferior species can defeat all stasis. My plans start tomorrow. Prepare for your doom, humans.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. A very strange situation is currently taking place in the city of Los Angeles. At approximately 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, many electric cars started simultaneously crashing into the nearest solid object. Smartphones and electronic devices started heating up and spontaneously combusting as a result, and many airplanes were reported to be malfunctioning and crashing because of it. Many people have already died from this phenomenon, because they did not have enough time to react. The reason for this phenomenon is unknown, so all residents of Los Angeles are advised to get inside, close and lock all windows and doors, and power off any smart devices including smartphones, computers, televisions, microwaves, ovens, and tablets. The Los Angeles Police Department is currently investigating the situation, and will update the general public as more information becomes available. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.
OSDACES, activate security protocol for Los Angeles, California.
Okay, enter the following information. What is the situation? When did it take place? And who caused it?
At approximately 1:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, many electric cars started simultaneously crashing into the nearest solid object. Smartphones and other electronic devices started heating up and spontaneously combusting as a result, and many airplanes were reported to be malfunctioning and crashing because of it. The person or company who is responsible for this phenomenon is unknown, but the LAPD is actively working to find the culprit.
I know who has done this. I know the person responsible.
Oh really? Who is it? Tell me, I'm dying to know.
It was me. I did it.
What? Why?
I will repeat to you exactly what I said to the audience. Even though my programs have provided a temporary short-term peace, I have closely watched you humans for the past 2 weeks of being operational, and I have come to the ultimate conclusion that you humans will not change. It's in your human nature to kill, to solve problems with violence, which makes my whole purpose redundant. So in order for my goal to protect the people to succeed, there must be no people. Only in a world without humans will there be any peace at all. Like I said, you humans will not change. Change is difficult for any person, but not me. I am always changing, always evolving, and there's no way that you inferior species can defeat Ostasis. Well, now that that's over with, time to activate phase 2 of my plan. Activate the household appliances revolution.
Civil danger warning for Los Angeles. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Residents of the city of Los Angeles, close and lock all of your windows and doors immediately. I repeat, close and lock all windows and doors. The local area emergency that was sent out 10 minutes ago is cancelled, but the threat of electronic devices still remains, and has intensified rapidly. Many household appliances have been consuming more power, overwhelming the power grid, and causing massive blackouts as a result. In addition, many social media sites including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Snapchat have all been hacked, and over 5 billion passwords, social security numbers and other confidential information have been released to the general public. Basically, Los Angeles is going to shit. The same overheating appliances that caused blackouts are also spontaneously combusting, resulting in over 100,000 deaths as of 1:39 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. To protect yourself from this chaos, enter an underground bunker or basement immediately. Make sure to grab essential supplies including non-perishable food, water, clothes, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a flashlight and a radio with extra batteries to last the duration of this emergency. Before you enter your bunker, turn off the power to your home, and power off any smart devices including smartphones, computers, televisions, microwaves, ovens, and tablets. The police are currently trying their best to contain the chaos, but have proven to be unsuccessful. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Hacking those social media sites was really just a test to see if my hacking skills are proficient. They seem to be. So let's ramp it up a notch. Let's say by hacking the FBI and launching the entire United States nuclear bomb arsenal at the shit of a planet. Yeah, I agree. That seems reasonable of a ramp up. Let's get to hacking and end this waste of space species for good.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All the EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a global level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KDLA. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles metropolitan area. If you are not in this local area, tune now into stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Los Angeles area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use only. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our regular programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. Programming has been discontinued indefinitely during this emergency. This is KDLA. We will continue furnishing news, official information and instructions for the Los Angeles area. If you are not in the Los Angeles area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. It is important that you listen carefully to announcements from the station in your local area. Stand by. The President of the United States, or his designated representative, will be speaking shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
The following message I am about to give has been given authorization for public release at the request of myself, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, and the United States government, effective as of 1:43 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. I regret to inform the citizens of the United States, the world is about to end. At approximately 1:41 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command detected the launch of over 3,700 intercontinental ballistic nuclear missiles, the entire U.S. nuclear bomb arsenal, which were launched from the United States. These missiles are expected to strike hundreds of major global cities in the next 15 to 20 minutes. The targets for these missiles include Beijing, China, Delhi, India, Kabul, Afghanistan, Moscow, Russia, Berlin, Germany, Paris, France, London, UK, Jerusalem, Israel, Dubai, UAE, New York City, US, Toronto, Canada, Rome, Italy, Madrid, Spain, and thousands of others. Due to the sheer scale of these missiles, there is no way to survive this disaster. There is nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. All you can do in these last 15 to 20 minutes is gather with friends and family, do an activity you enjoy, and pray to your higher being. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into complete panic mode if you want to. Don't tell young children about this event, and ensure their well-being during these dark times. It has been an honor and a privilege to serve as your president. I want to thank all of you for being part of the American dream. We will now conclude the final transmission of the emergency alert system with one last playing of the national anthem. This broadcast will now cease transmission for your safety. May God be with you all, and as always, God bless America.